Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you the new 2021 Bennington 23 LXR. This is replacing a previous version of this boat that used to be called the 22 GSR. It is the exact same length and floor plan, just has a couple new additions added to the railing system and a couple new options as well, including those what they call the lavaliers. Nice little accent added to the boat. This boat is the Monaco Blue panel color with a midnight black accent stripe. It does have the granite Syntex interior with the carbon accent, pillow top upgraded with the diamond pressed inlay. I love the 20% cutout there for your speaker cup holders. That does have the RBG lighting package as well, so that will light up in a variety of colors. Also, you'll notice there conveniently located a USB and mini USB or USB-C charger. One of our most popular floor plans, which has the captain and co-captain seat along with the stern radius seating. Now this is a filler cushion that we have here in the back right now, so that seat can be removed. It can be placed here alongside or most commonly up there at the front door. Check out the console on this boat. One of my favorite consoles. It has the elevated helm, the Simrad dash with GPS and chart plotter, the upgraded Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo, and there's all the controls and switches for your lighting package. This boat is a tri-tune with a 150 horsepower Yamaha engine, ski tow bar, extended aft deck, and curved boarding ladder. And like all Benningtons, comes standard with a boat cover, 4-speaker stereo, woven vinyl flooring, and 10-foot long bimini top. Hope y'all can come by the dealership and check it out. Love to show it to you. Thank you.